Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we're going to do something that I've never done before. So I'm excited that you guys are coming along. We're going to test a new Starbucks drink, the tie-dye one. I'm pretty excited. I just got off work. I'm super hot and tired, and so I need a sugar boost, and I figured that would be fun. I'm just really excited to try this new drink. I'm sorry it's shaky because I'm literally holding the phone. But I was gonna bring my camera with me, but I guess left the house in a rush and I forgot. So whatever. Hi, can I get a tall tie-dye Frappuccino?
Tall tie-dye?
Yeah.
Alright, will that complete your order today?
Yes, please. Thank you.
It's 5:36. I'll see you at the window.
Thank you. Okay, we got this. So I have the drink. Looks like this. It really doesn't look like the ad, doesn't it? It smells good. It smells like the ad makes it look like it's a million colors. It smells good. Whipped cream is just the whipped cream is just like normal vanilla. Yeah, the whipped cream is just normal vanilla. I feel like they might not have had enough training, and every time one of these new drinks come out, they're like, what the fuck are we gonna do? It is impossible to close. The guy apologized literally like a million times for how long it took. Honestly, yeah, it took some time, but I didn't think it was like outrageous and that I waited so long that I would want to call the manager or whatever. So okay, we've eaten the whipped cream enough. Now let's try this thing. It's literally like, it looks more like that, like not dragon, that witch or whatever thing they had for Halloween, was it? They had a drink like this, I think. I didn't try it. And there's some purple shit at the bottom. Alright, let's do this. I've read online people saying that it tasted like banana, but I don't really think so. I mean, it does, I guess. I can't. Something else too, but I was honestly expecting something more acidic, if it makes sense. More like fruity, like a mix of a bunch of fruit because of the picture. That's good, but it's nothing like it's alright. It's just weird that it's not mixing like it's supposed to have like a bunch of colors. And nope, no ma'am, not in this town. Man, I wish I really could describe what it tastes like, but okay, I have some vanilla in it. A bit of banana, but I feel like it's not the majority of the drink. And like, I would show you, I mean, I would read the description of the drink, but I'm literally using my phone to film this because I forgot my camera. I'm so confused. You can tell that there's a milk base to it. Honestly, like if I close my eyes and didn't think about the color or whatever, I would think this is like a milk Frappuccino. Yeah. It's like milk. It's good. It's sweet. I'm thirsty. I'm just getting out of work, you guys. I've been working for 2 days at Hobby Lobby. I started yesterday. It's exhausting, man. I could do. No hate, this is a fun place to work at. The management is great, and I'm in the shittiest place in America, I feel like. I mean, not the shittiest, there's probably worse than this. But I'm not in the highlight of America. And the managers are really nice, they're funny, and they're not scared of they're not scared of getting their hands dirty if it means that we get off work earlier. So we're really cool people. I like my co-workers too. It's a big team, so it's hard to get to know everyone, but people are funny. We can talk at work. That's great. I just hate when you have to stay silent or whatever. Anyway, I'm gonna give my opinion on this. Sorry about the AC too, but it's Texas. It's my first summer. I am dying. I don't know how many degrees it is, but it's freaking hot. Anyway. Yeah, so sorry about the AC. I'm gonna give my opinion. It's not worth it. It's not worth the whatever $5 that this drink is. Unless like they did it wrong, they didn't have proper training. But listen, man, I don't have time to do my research. It's available for a couple of days. What do you think? I'm gonna look and like call all the Starbucks to make sure like they got their shit right. I went through the drive-thru. I just got out of work. If they have a drive-thru, it's for a reason. I shouldn't have to investigate this shit to make sure that they have the proper drink the way it's supposed to be from A to Z, whatever. I don't have that time. But if it's like that in other places and I'm gonna look it up when I get home, it's really not worth it. This is like literally this. If this wasn't yellow, this would be like a milk vanilla frappuccino type thing, like no coffee, but it tastes like, it doesn't really taste like candies or I was thinking maybe it would have like different acidic flavor, not acidic, but like sour candy, because like the colors are so bright. Like last year they came out with that unicorn looking frappuccino thing. Man, that thing looked dreamy. I really wanted to try it. I was so mad when I saw everyone posting their videos, but I was in Europe and we were not getting it. Man, I was so mad. I really wanted to try it. And people were saying, no, it's too sweet. It tastes too much like candies. It tastes like Fruit Loops or whatever. I don't freaking know. I really want to try it. That's why this time I was like, when there's a fancy drink like this, I'm going to get out of my way and try it. Well, I'm not disappointed in the way that this drink is not good, that I'm not enjoying it. I am enjoying it because I'm freaking thirsty. I need some sugar. It's like, what time is it? 5:30. I burned more calories today than I usually do in a whole damn week. So, no, I have a good time. But I'm disappointed in Starbucks, that they think this is a revolution and that we should all rush to Starbucks within a couple of days to get this. No, ma'am. But I have a feeling that they're overwhelmed and that they don't know how to handle this. Yeah. Yesterday I went to Starbucks inside of Target to get coffee because I needed pants. I went to Old Navy, Target was next to it, whatever. I went to get coffee and it was dead. And so I saw the poster for it and I told the girl, good luck for the drink today because it started yesterday. I don't fill it up. Yeah, thank you, I'm gonna need it. Because I mean, I really like when Starbucks does this. It's different. Like, I know they have a long ass menu of shit, but at the same time, you pretty much all the time get the same thing. So marketing wise, like, it makes my marketing brain happy. That's where I'm getting at. It's different. It's like, your little routine, and it changes. Like I was like, I'm gonna get off work, go to Starbucks, try the drink, because my husband is not in town. I didn't say that, but he's in another state right now for school, whatever. And so I'm pretty much alone with the dog and the cat, and I love them, but it gets lonely. So I need activities, and Starbucks releasing a new drink, yeah, it's an activity. I would take you guys along while I'm driving, but I don't have a tripod, and literally my tripod is my lunchbox. So I really was expecting it to have like a bunch of funky colors, like to be like a really cool Instagrammable cup of whatever, but it's not. Anyway, I'm gonna take my tired ass home. That's what I'm gonna, and free my animals. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the ride. I hope you had fun with me on this review of this new Starbucks. I'm sorry if it's not what you expected. Please leave in the comments below if you went to get the drink and the drink looked different, and if you have a picture, like, you can send it to your social media. We'll go check it out, because I'm really curious. Because actually when I get home, I'm gonna look up if other people have done it, and I'm gonna check on Instagram and see the comments on Starbucks page, because yeah, I have nothing else to do with my life, so I'm gonna do that. Anyway, I'm gonna let you guys go. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in my next one, which will probably be a studio vlog, and if not, I will see you in probably another Starbucks fun ride of testing Starbucks drinks, because I mean, it's fun, right? Bye!